Yes people, what's happening? My name's Lamar, I'm one of the co-owners of 21st Century Repairs, and today I'm going to tell you 3 simple ways to improve your battery life on your smartphone. So number 1 is to turn down your brightness on your smartphone. I mean, yeah, fair enough, your colourful bright screen looks amazing, but the truth is it's just draining your battery. So the higher the brightness, the more power your smartphone uses. So what we definitely suggest you to use is the auto brightness setting on your phone. This essentially changes the brightness depending on the light around you, making you save more energy in the long run. Number 2 is to cut out all the running apps in the background. Leaving all your apps running in the background actually burns a lot of energy because each and every app uses a share of the phone's processor cycles. So remember to cut out all the apps that you're not using to reduce your phone's workload, and it should also make your phone a tiny bit faster. Number 3 is to turn off the vibration setting on your phone. So your smartphone's got a tiny little vibration motor that needs a lot of power to function. So if you're that busy person that's getting messages every 2 minutes, you know, you're getting calls every half an hour, then I definitely suggest you turn off the vibration settings on your phone, allowing you to sustain your battery life for a longer period of time. That's it for the tips, guys. If you're still having problems, then it's definitely time to get a replacement. Luckily, you know someone that can do that for you. For the people that don't know us, we're a phone repair business that comes to your location and repairs your device in our customised van. Battery replacements start from £15, so have a look on our website or message us for a quote and book a repair with us today. I hope this video helps you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.